A reliable dash cam is a must-have for any driver looking for security, peace of mind, and evidence in case of accidents. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car GPS dash cameras, highlighting their features, pros, and cons to help you make the best choice for your vehicle. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Azdome M17 car GPS dash camera. The Azdome M17 car GPS dash camera is a compact yet powerful device designed to enhance road safety and provide peace of mind for drivers. Equipped with 1080p recording, night vision, ADAS collision avoidance, and a 24-hour parking monitor, the M17 aims to deliver a comprehensive driving experience. With a 150 ultra-wide-angle lens, it reduces blind spots and ensures full coverage of multiple lanes. We explore the pros and cons. Pros: high-quality 1080p video recording. The M17 captures crisp and clear footage at 1080p 30 fps, ensuring that every detail on the road is recorded with vivid clarity. This is especially useful for reviewing incidents and enhancing safety. Super night vision. Featuring an f/.8 large aperture, 6 glass wide-angle lens, and the GC2053 CMOS image sensor, the M17 performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions. This ensures important details, such as license plates and road signs, remain visible even at night. ADAS collision avoidance. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, provides real-time alerts, helping to prevent accidents by warning drivers of potential collisions or lane departures. 24-hour parking monitor. The built-in G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts and records crucial moments, providing security even when the vehicle is parked. This feature offers added protection against hit and runs and vandalism. 150 wide-angle field of view. The expansive field of view reduces blind spots and captures 3-lane coverage, ensuring comprehensive footage of the surroundings. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. The integrated GPS module records location data, while Wi-Fi support enables easy access to footage through a smartphone app, allowing for quick video downloads and sharing. Cons: limited advanced features. While the M17 offers essential functionalities, it lacks some premium features like voice control, touchscreen display, or cloud storage, which are available in higher-end models. The Azdome M17 car GPS dash camera is a solid choice for drivers seeking a budget-friendly yet feature-rich dash cam. Its clear 1080p video quality, night vision, ADAS collision alerts, and parking monitoring make it a reliable option for daily driving and security. Coming in at number 4, the Lingdu V620 car GPS dash camera. The Lingdu V620 car GPS dash camera is a feature-packed device designed to enhance driving safety and provide comprehensive surveillance for your vehicle. With advanced technologies like dual-channel recording, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and voice control, it aims to be a reliable companion for drivers. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Lingdu V620 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: dual-channel video recording. The Lingdu V620 offers dual camera functionality, capturing footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. This ensures comprehensive coverage, making it easier to document incidents or accidents from multiple angles. The 4K recording capability on the front camera delivers superior image quality, providing clear and detailed footage. Built-in GPS. The integrated GPS system logs essential data such as time, speed, and location. This information can be accessed via the dedicated app or GPS player, making it a valuable tool for tracking your journeys and providing evidence in case of disputes or accidents. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, the Lingdu V620 offers data transfer speeds 3 times faster than conventional 2.4G Wi-Fi. This allows for quick previewing of live footage and seamless downloading of saved videos or images, making it easier to share your recordings. Bluetooth connectivity. The Bluetooth feature simplifies the connection process by automatically pairing your device, eliminating the need to manually enter Wi-Fi passwords. This ensures a hassle-free setup and allows you to focus more on driving. Voice control. The voice command capability enhances driving safety by enabling hands-free operation. You can control the dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road, reducing distractions and promoting safer driving. ADAS. The Lingdu V620 includes ADAS features such as front collision alert, front car go, and lane departure alert. These safety alerts help you maintain a safe driving distance and stay within your lane, providing an added layer of security. Parking mode with 24-hour monitoring. The parking mode ensures your vehicle is monitored around the clock. When paired with a hardware kit, the dash cam can operate seamlessly, offering peace of mind whether your car is parked at home or on the street. Supercapacitor technology. Unlike traditional batteries, the Lingdu V620 uses supercapacitor technology, which reduces the risk of bulging and heat-related issues. This makes the device more reliable and durable, especially in extreme temperature conditions. Cons. Voice control limitations. Although voice control is a convenient feature, its effectiveness may vary depending on accents, background noise, or language settings, potentially limiting its usability for some drivers. The Lingdu V620 car GPS dash camera is a robust and feature-rich device that offers excellent video quality, advanced safety features, and reliable performance. Its dual-channel recording, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity make it a standout choice for tech-savvy drivers. At number 3, we have the Redtiger A4 car GPS dash camera. The Redtiger A4 car GPS dash camera is a feature-packed device designed to enhance road safety and provide peace of mind for drivers. With cutting-edge connectivity, high-resolution recording, and advanced monitoring features, this dash cam promises a comprehensive driving experience. But does it live up to expectations? Let's take a closer look at its pros and cons. Pros. Fast and seamless data transfer. The Redtiger A4 utilizes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring quick and efficient data transfer. Users can easily access and download footage using the Redtiger app, making it convenient to retrieve recordings when needed. Versatile and user-friendly operation. With both touch and voice control options, the dash cam allows for effortless operation. The hands-free feature enhances safety by enabling users to control the device without distractions while driving. Superior video quality. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera provide crystal clear footage, capturing detailed visuals for both front and rear views. This ensures that essential details like license plates and road signs are recorded with precision. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with super night vision, the dash cam performs exceptionally well in low light conditions. Whether driving at night or in poorly lit areas, users can rely on the device to deliver clear and detailed recordings. 24-hour parking monitoring. The constant surveillance feature ensures your vehicle is monitored even when parked. This is particularly useful for added security in parking lots and overnight monitoring. Automatic collision detection. The built-in collision detection feature automatically records incidents, capturing crucial moments in the event of an accident. This helps in providing evidence for insurance claims and dispute resolution. Accurate GPS tracking. With precise GPS tracking, users can monitor their driving route and location. This feature is beneficial for navigation, trip recording, and verifying travel history. Uninterrupted loop recording. The loop recording function ensures continuous operation by automatically overwriting older footage. This prevents memory card overload and ensures the camera is always ready to capture new events. Cons. Limited battery backup. The dash cam relies heavily on external power, and its built-in battery offers only minimal backup. This means it may not record for extended periods when the vehicle is turned off unless hardwired. The Redtiger A4 car GPS dash camera stands out with its high-resolution recording, smart connectivity, and advanced security features. It's a solid choice for drivers who prioritize safety, evidence collection, and easy access to footage. Next up at number 2 is the Viofo A119 car GPS dash camera. The Viofo A119 car GPS dash camera is a popular choice among drivers seeking a reliable and high-quality dash cam. With its advanced features and sleek design, it promises to deliver exceptional performance both during the day and at night. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Viofo A119 to help you decide if it's the right dash cam for your needs. Pros: superior video quality. The Viofo A119 boasts a 5MP Sony Starvis sensor and a wide f/.6 aperture lens, enabling it to record in stunning 2880x2160p resolution at 30 fps. This ensures crystal clear footage during the day and night, making it easier to capture license plates and incidents with exceptional clarity. The 140-degree wide-angle lens provides a broad view of the road without the distortion of a fisheye effect. Advanced parking mode. The A119 V3 offers 3 parking mode options: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The auto event detection feature is particularly impressive, as it records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, ensuring critical moments are captured. This feature, however, requires an optional HK3 ACC hardwire cable for full functionality. GPS tracking. The built-in GPS module records real-time speed, time, and route information directly into the video file. This data can be displayed during playback, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident or dispute. The date and timestamp further enhance the reliability of the footage. Super night vision and HDR. Equipped with Sony Starvis sensor, the A119 excels in low light conditions, delivering clear and detailed footage at night. The HDR function balances lighting in overbright and overdark areas, ensuring license plates and other details are visible even under challenging lighting conditions. Cons. Microphone quality. While the built-in microphone is a useful feature, some users have reported that the audio quality is average. Background noise and wind interference can sometimes affect the clarity of recorded audio. The Viofo A119 car GPS dash camera is a powerful and reliable device that excels in video quality, night vision, and parking mode functionality. Its GPS tracking and user-friendly features make it a strong contender in the dashcam market. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ddpai Z40 car GPS dash camera. The Ddpai Z40 car GPS dash camera is a feature-packed device designed to enhance your driving experience with advanced recording capabilities. With its 2.7K resolution, dual-channel recording, and innovative storage technology, it promises to deliver high-quality footage and reliable performance. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Ddpai Z40 to help you decide if it's the right dashcam for your needs. Pros. Exceptional video quality. The Ddpai Z40 boasts a 2.7K resolution, 2592x1944p, with 5 million pixels, ensuring crystal clear and sharp images. The Sony IMX335 sensor further enhances video quality, even in low light conditions, reducing overexposure and capturing fine details with precision. This makes it easier to identify license plates, road signs, and other critical details in recordings. Dual-channel recording. The dashcam features both front and rear cameras, allowing you to record the road ahead and behind simultaneously. The front camera supports resolutions up to 1944p, while the 1080p rear camera offers flexibility with its 360 rotation. This dual-view setup provides comprehensive coverage and peace of mind, whether you're driving or parked. Real cube image technology. Ddpai's exclusive Real Cube image technology enhances color accuracy, brightness, and overall picture quality. This ensures that every frame is captured with vivid details and realistic colors, making the footage more reliable for evidence or personal use. Flexible installation options. The 1080p rear camera can be installed in multiple positions, either facing forward for selfies or backward to record road conditions. This versatility allows you to customize the setup based on your preferences and needs. Cons. Power consumption. The high-resolution recording and dual-camera setup may drain your car's battery faster, especially if the dash cam is used in parking mode for extended periods. Users may need to monitor power usage to avoid battery issues. The Ddpai Z40 car GPS dash camera is a powerful and versatile device that offers exceptional video quality, dual-channel recording, and innovative storage solutions. Its advanced features make it an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize safety, detail, and reliability.